In 2018, the USAID Global Health Supply Chain Technical Assistance Project supported the Ministry of Health to implement an LMIS data visualization platform called InfoMed. This platform is used by supply chain managers and decision makers to access commodity management data at different levels of the health system to make appropriate decisions. The dashboard is now successfully used as an early warning system to monitor the availability of malaria, TB, HIV, MCH, family planning, and other program commodities. In the USAID-supported health zone, where the dashboard has already been implemented, the risk of stockout and wastage due to expiry was significantly reduced. The District Health Information Software DHIS2 adopted to manage health information in DRC was investment to avoid the need to create a new parallel system. The platform has LMIS data entry forms for health facilities as well as warehouses inside the DHIS2. Now let's see how the LMIS entry form looks like in DHIS2. This is a typical LMIS entry form inside the DHIS2. It has the list of products on the left side and different logistics parameters including consumption, stock on hand, average monthly consumption, and month of stock. Different programs, products are in different tabs, so the operator can continue data entry in the tabs and then submit this data to the platform. Every hour, the data are transferred automatically to the visualization platform, which is InfoMed. The platform has different reports which shows logistics parameters in details. And the first report in the global dashboard is the global dashboard, which shows at any month and for a specific program some major indicators which can help to reduce stock out and even stock overstock. So these are some of the indicators that are displayed in the dashboard. It also has some other reports which are listed in this page under the LMIS report menu, where you can find the national stock status, the stock at different levels, the shipment as well as pipeline report, consumption trend, stock out trend, reporting rate, completeness, and many other reports. So let's now have a look at some of the important reports that InfoMed platform can generate. The national stock status is the most important report which shows the current balance at the end of any month in the country. It shows also the stock status based on a scale predefined for national level, and as you can see, there are 5 colors legends in this report, and every report has a corresponding table which can be printed or emailed or exported to Excel. The second report is the stock status at different levels. It shows where the stock is at any moment. That means whether it is in health facilities, in central warehouse, in regional warehouse, or in health zone office warehouses. Based on stock status at different levels, decisions can be made to transfer the stock. The most interesting report shows the stock status of any specific commodity. For example, if you select this product, artemether-lumefantrine, at the end of January at health facility level, the report shows that according to our legend, there is a stocked out facility which do not have any stock, and there is a nearby facility which is overstocked. So this information can help for a local decision of transferring this overstock to the nearby stocked out facility. Every report has a corresponding table which can be analyzed and decision can be taken. Every report has also a parameter which is the reporting rate. This means based on what reporting rate decisions are being taken. The Informed DRC platform has also implemented the import of HIV, malaria, and TB patient data from DHIS2, and by now there are triangulation reports that show the current stock balance compared to the number of patients, and with this we can see whether there is enough stock to serve all the patients. Thank you so much.